In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and level up fast here in Fortnite Chapter 7 Season 2. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, by far, the fastest way in order to level up here in Fortnite Chapter 7 Season 2 right now is just by completing the quest. Now, there's a few different ways that you can go ahead and boost the XP gain, and we're going to walk through all of them, but let's go ahead and start with the quest itself. If you select the quest tab just like so, it's going to look a little bit different this season. You're going to see that you're going to have the Path of the Voyager, the Battle Pass quest, the Rivalry quest, the weekly highlights, daily highlights, milestones, and then ranked quest as well, so just keep those in mind. The first thing that you're going to want to focus on is going to be these daily quests. They give you 25k XP per daily bonus goal that you hit, which is essentially just completing 3 daily quests every single time. So as soon as you complete 3, you'll get 25k XP. Then of course, as soon as you complete another 3, you'll get 25k XP, and another 3, you'll get 25k XP, and you get 1k per one that you do. It's just a quick and easy way to go ahead and get some XP, and these quests are usually extremely easy, and you'll end up getting them done as you're playing like normal. Another way is obviously going to be through the Path of the Voyager quest. These are pretty easy and they're going to just arrive over time. And essentially these are just going to be chaos cubes that you collect. As soon as you collect all of them, you get a ton of XP, and you also get XP per one that you pick up as well. It's worth grabbing these as soon as you see them. As you can see, there's specific ones in specific areas that you're going to want to target, and it looks like there's 5 in every single one of the POIs, with more coming throughout the duration of the season. Now, of course, Battle Pass is great as well, but instead of focusing on the Battle Pass quest, what I'd actually recommend doing is going to the play section just like so and inviting some of your friends that actually own the Battle Pass. The friends that you invite that own the Battle Pass are actually going to give you an XP boost. So say you're playing with like 4 friends, right? You're actually going to get a 40% XP boost just for playing with them. So you guys can go ahead and knock out all of these quests and challenges for this season while playing with your friends to get that XP boost, which is obviously the most efficient way to gain XP. Now, obviously, you can play creative as well. There's going to be some XP maps. There's not a specific one that I really recommend, but that is also an option. But that is how you can go ahead and level up extremely fast here in Fortnite Chapter 7 Season 2. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.